Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing for the Daily Goodie Box. If you're not familiar with this company, you set up a profile, it's free to join. You fill it out, and then if you get picked, you get a box of goodies. They only ask that you review the products once you've tried them out. So let's see what came in this box. And if you follow them on their social media, they do give away boxes that way, and that's probably a really good way to win one. And here's a little card for them, just basically what I said, to log into your account and give your thoughts on everything in the box. I'm excited. There's normally a really good mix of products in here. Ooh, what is this? Protein Crisps Brickoven Pizza by Shrewd Food. 14 grams of protein, no carbs, no peanuts or tree nuts. Awesome. Yes, there are little puffs in there. That sounds interesting. Then we have Blister Balm. This is a protective lip treatment crafted with 100% natural jojoba botanicals. Cool. Could always use that. Next up, we have Wellness Water. It's an immunity booster. I could use that. I've been sick way too much lately. Transform water into wellness. It's really cool. You guys probably can't read it, but it says that vitamins deteriorate in water, causing premixed vitamin drinks to lose their strength. Karma's nutrients are stored in the cap until you release them, assuring optimal freshness and potency. That's a really cool idea. Yeah, you can see it in there. There's like powder. You shake it. Peel, push, shake. Huh. Let's try it real quick. So peel. Push it. Oh yeah, you can feel it going in there. And then you shake it. So once that pushes down, you can see them going in the water. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna go ahead and try it and see what it tastes like. It's supposed to be acai. Is that how you say that? I say it different every time I pronounce it. And pomegranate. So let me go ahead and take a sip. That's actually not bad at all. It tastes like gummy fruit snacks to me. And this is what the inside of the cap looks like. I could see it kind of got pushed down, and that's how it escapes into the water. Really cool idea and concept. I've never seen anything like that. So I think that's pretty awesome. So next up we have Rustic Maka ILLUMINATE Activated Charcoal Whitening Tooth Powder. Definitely have seen that all over the internet, but have never tried it. So I will definitely give that a try. Then we have Tiger Balm. This is a pain-relieving muscle spray, easy to apply and for hard-to-reach areas. Cool. Definitely get use out of that. It says available at CVS and Rite Aid stores. We have another food item, don't go nuts. Whitewater Chomp. Chewy granola bar with white chocolate. Ooh. Yum. And it is certified organic. I bet that's really good. And I think this is the last thing in here. CUSA tea. Premium instant tea. Organic tea in 3 seconds. And this is a tester pack. There's an English breakfast, oolong tea, and a mango tea. Yeah. There's a little card in here showing the different teas they have. Promo code if you go to their website. And here's the little packets. Very nice. And then there's normally like coupons and advertisements and stuff at the bottom. Here's an advertisement for Blister Balm, 20% off your first order. Don't go nuts. I like the little drawings, that's cute. How they go from field to finger. Very cool. Tells all about their process. So if you guys are interested in joining Daily Goodie Box, I'll put their information below and their social media websites in case you want to follow them and try to win a box that way. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.